Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about compressor pedal. Compressor is one of the essential pedal that sits on our signal chain. So the works is just to make our sound to flow dynamically. You just like a compressor, just like the name is. If your signal is flowing, the compressor is just to work on the low end, the high end, and also the middle end, just to compress the sound and makes the sound move dynamically. If the sound is low, the compressor can also boost out the signal more. It can also make the sound to be more snappy, it's just like to squeeze out the sound. So the compressor, it can be used for so many types of song. People that plays funk use compressor. People that also plays country music also use compressor pedal. So that is just it. So I think the best way is to hear how it sound. This is a multi-effect pedal, so it has so many types of compressor in it. So we're gonna run through it and hear how it sounds. This is my guitar without the compressor on. Now engaging the compressor on. Now, okay, look at the sound. I will play it and then engage the compressor. You see the changes. So the compressor, that is just it. It sits on the gain parts first. So that is just the work of the compressor pedal. Boost the signal, make it to be more dynamic, squeeze it and give it the punch. Without the compressor on. Compressor on. So looking at the compressor, you see here we have the types, so which means you can select the types of compressor, because this is a multi-effect pedal. It has so many effects that you can buy individual in it. So but the major thing you have the sustain and the attack, and you also have the level. So this is just the tone to shape the how you want the. Okay, let me just take you through it so you see. Now let me just put the sustain at 100. I'm now using the volume control to get sounds. So there is the work of the compressor for you, because I have turned up everything. Now let's go to the tone. Let me put the sustain at 50, attack at 50. Yeah. Now let's see how it works. The high end. Low end. This low end is also good when you are using the bridge selection. So I'm running it on the bridge selector, using the selector suite. That's why. So putting the tone at -50 darkens it and helps it to be more punchy. So that is just it. Let me put the tone at 0. At 0. Yes. Let's go back. Then you can see we have the high band. High band compressor. Same information. We have the light compressor. The compressor. We have the orange compressor. We have the fat compressor. We have the mid-range compressor. We have the stereo compressor. That is it for the compressor types we have here. So you just get the idea. Well, the first one I use is just the bus compressor. So that is just the compressor for you, just to help us to make the sound to be more dynamic, boost it, sustain it, and push it to be more punchy, you know. so that those guys that are playing funk, reggae, country music, other types of song can be able to, you can use it for drums, you can use it for a different instrument. It's not only for guitar. So that is it for compressor. So when time you hear how the sound is being squeezed, how the sound is being moving dynamically, then you can be considering that there can be the atom of compressor on the signal chain. Thanks, and stay tuned. Bye.